Very simple. Lack of customer service and lack of support. Those are the two main items. Being in a family business, we focus on that. We're not a huge corporation trying to milk profits. We focus on the customer service, support, and constantly upgrading our software to fit the needs of hotels. So it's a much different platform, a much different look from TTI than anyone would get from anyone else. How just about each hotel came back with the same response. Your support and follow-up was phenomenal. We're not used to getting this from any type of company. And that's what we hear over and over again. Not everything goes perfectly, especially with internet and software and hardware. So there are issues which arise. A lot of times it's because the hotel has slow internet. There are times where we have to resolve certain software downloads on our end, but we're partnered with the hotel. So we don't say, okay, goodbye, we'll come back next week. We stay on that phone until we resolve the problem. Or if it's something with their internet, which does happen because we have that in our offices as well, sometimes the internet gets slow, we will reach out to their IT company and work with them on behalf of the hotel. We have a very collaborative approach. Our team members work together. If someone, let's say, starts working on the installation and they leave at the end of the day, all our support agents are copied in the database. So whoever takes over next knows whatever issue or whatever demands the hotels need to get these things going. So we are a team. And I know that a lot of companies say out there, but this is why people stick with us. And the beauty of it is that myself, my son Neil, who's also a partner in the company, are always available to speak to people if they have any issues. That's a big difference compared to corporate. The difference about working with TTI is that the response is very quick. You're not going to wait. In some cases, we've heard complaints from hotels that it takes a day or two just to get a proposal. We send out proposals within 2 or 3 hours of receiving requests. When it comes to support or customer service, we respond quickly. People have said to us time and time again, and I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying it, they have said they cannot believe how quickly we respond to them. And it's refreshing compared to what's out there today.